The winds tore through the hidden valley, howling like wounded spirits. The ground trembled as if something ancient and furious was waking beneath it. Leo stood firm, claws dug into the earth. Beside him, Nero gripped his staff tightly, its crystal tips glowing like burning stars. And on Leo's back, tiny but fearless, Miko the mouse whispered, "Leo, he's coming." A deep rumble cracked the valley floor. Dark energies spiraled upward, forming a towering vortex. From its center stepped a massive figure twice the size of any lion the valley had ever seen. His mane was made of swirling shadows. His eyes burned like molten crimson. The Shadow King. After all these centuries, he growled, voice shaking mountains. The Heartstone finally awakens again. Leo bared his fangs. "You won't take it. Not this time." The Shadow King laughed, the sound echoing like thunder on stone. "Little cub, you don't even know who you are." Miko tugged Leo's fur. "Ignore him. Don't let him get inside your head." But suddenly, a blast of black energy shot from the Shadow King and slammed into Leo. His legs shook, his heart pounded. And then flashes of memories of lions he didn't know. A crown, a burning sky, a voice whispering, "The true heir." Leo gasped. What was that?" Nero stepped forward. "He's probing your lineage. If he discovers your full power before you do, this valley is finished." The Shadow King raised his paw. Shadows surged outward, forming an army of ghostly beasts, each pair of eyes glowing red. "Bring me the Heartstone," he commanded, "and destroy the rest." The Shadow Army surged forward. Miko jumped to Leo's shoulder. "Leo, we need the Heartstone's light. Try again." Leo closed his eyes, breathing hard. He felt the stone within his chest warm, pulsing, ancient. He focused. The warmth grew. Light swirled. Power trembled. Then boom! A shockwave erupted from Leo, blasting back the first wave of shadows. Miko held on for dear life as the valley lit up with blinding light. Nero shielded his eyes. "Yes, Leo, awakening." The Shadow King snarled. "So, the Heartstone has chosen its guardian." He slammed his paw into the ground. A massive rift opened beneath Leo, shadows clawing up from the depths. Miko screamed. Leo, thing, caught the ledge with one paw. The Shadow King's voice echoed above him. "The valley will fall, the guardian will fall, and the Heartstone will be mine." Leo's claws slipped, but a small paw grabbed his fur. Miko, eyes wide, face trembling. "I won't let you go," the little mouse whispered. Leo met his eyes, and despite the darkness around them, he believed.